Welcome to Guided Meditations with Life Coach Craig. I'm grateful you are here, taking this time to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with yourself. Each meditation is designed to support you in finding calm, presence, and gentle awareness, one breath at a time. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to rest, supported by the surface beneath you. For the next few minutes, let any distractions fall away. This is your time, your moment to practice self-love. Take a slow, steady breath in. And exhale with ease. Good. The very first act of self-love is simply to notice your breath. Your breath has been with you every moment of your life. It shifts with your needs, sometimes quick and sharp, other times slow and soft. Now, let's deepen into this gift. Take 5 full, nourishing breaths with me. One, inhale deeply, filling your belly and chest. Hold gently. Then exhale with relief. Two, inhale fresh oxygen, feeling it enter your bloodstream. Hold. And exhale without effort. 3, inhale with a sense of renewal. Hold. And release. 4, inhale naturally, noticing how your body welcomes the breath. Pause. And exhale tension. 5, inhale fully, honoring this moment as an act of love. Hold. and exhale into complete relaxation. Allow your breath now to return to its natural rhythm. With each inhale and exhale, you affirm, I am worthy of love. Notice how thoughts rise and fall in the mind, some lingering, some passing quickly. Rather than holding on to them, simply observe. A thought arrives, a thought dissolves. Shift now into listening. Notice the sounds around you. Perhaps your breath, the hum of life nearby, the subtle quiet of the room. Let these sounds wash over you like gentle waves. Each sound a reminder you are here, present, safe. Bring to mind a vision of yourself living in harmony with self-love. See yourself choosing foods that nourish and strengthen your body. Imagine savoring each bite, grateful for the energy and health it brings. Picture yourself confidently saying no to what does not serve you. Junk foods, unhealthy habits, harsh self-criticism. Notice the pride that arises when you honor your well-being. Self-love is not selfish. It is the foundation that allows you to care deeply for others. Now, silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations after me. When I love myself, I am able to love others more deeply. Each day, my love for myself grows stronger. I am worthy of love and respect. I accept myself fully, my body, my mind, my spirit. I choose to love myself unconditionally, no matter what. My health, joy, and peace expand as my self-love expands. Every part of who I am is embraced with love. The love within me flows outward, touching all those around me. Breathe. Let these words settle into your being. When you are ready, bring gentle movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders softly. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. As you gently open your eyes, carry this truth with you. Whenever you love yourself, you discover love everywhere. Thank you for taking this time to pause and reconnect with yourself today. Remember, the peace and spaciousness you cultivate here are always within you, available with each breath. Until next time, be well.